We're 2.5 hours into trading. It is Tuesday, September 7th. Market's got a little bit of a holiday hangover today. You can see how we had this pullback early. Long red candles closing on their low. This told me that it was going to take a while for this bottoming process to happen. Bullish 1OP cross in here. Nice little bounce, but we come right back down. Now we've got three tails under body here. Higher low, double bottom. Bullish 1OP cross. Trying to get through this resistance level right here at the 451 level. I think we're going to get through it. This is a nice low. This would be your chance to buy. Let's take a look at some stocks. mRNA, very nice. In fact, I usually like to start off with my pick of the day. ASAN was a stock that I showed you last Thursday. It did not. Actually, I did record Friday morning very early, but ASAN was one of the stocks that I highlighted. I liked it. Continued to be strong. Follow through today. D1 chart, excellent. Big gap up. Love that close near the high. Close near the high. This stock wants to go. Let's take a look and see what else we can find. I'm going to do a little bit of market analysis first, though. I'd mentioned to you that we need to be a little bit careful. We've got the daily chart setting up with these tiny bodied candles in here off of a new relative high. When we see this type of pattern, like we did right in here, the threat of a quick pullback like this increases. So you do not want to be loading up on your bullish positions, but if you are day trading, it's fine to favor the long side. Wait for these dips. Once the market finds support, then you know you can come in and buy. So I am long right now, and I'm looking for this market rally to continue in here. Still pretty early in that 1OP cross. So let's take a look at the red hot list and see what's in here. Netflix screaming higher. Look at that breakout right here. Long green candles closing on their high. Put up the 1 OSI indicator and you'll be able to see orange line above zero. Very, very strong relative to the S&P 500. I like Netflix. I think Netflix is going to continue to go higher. mRNA, really like this chart. You can see there's your bull flag formation right there. There's your flagpole, downward sloping trend line. We get through it right here. A couple of long green candles. Stock was not down today when the market sold off. That is relative strength. You can see the orange line is above zero. This is the type of stock that you want to be buying. SPY overlay, market down, down, down. What's the stock doing? Inching its way higher. Soon as the market finds support, boom. Market has another little dip in here. What's the stock do? Holds its own, it compresses, it holds the support level. As soon as the market finds a bid, goodbye. I like mRNA. Hey, look at this. Facebook coming up on the list. Love this. Look at that strength. All morning long. Stock had a little bit of a pullback with the market. Look at that bullish engulfing candle. This is a key candle right here on a 5-minute chart. When you see that type of bullish engulfing candle, when the market is selling off, these stocks want to go higher. Take a look at that daily chart. Oh yes, you can see Facebook broke out to a new high, pulled back just a little bit. It tested that breakout, and now we have a successful breakout. Facebook likely to continue to go. In fact, all the mega cap tech stocks have been very, very strong today. Amazon, Apple, Facebook, all of them moving higher. So I do like Facebook. I think this stock is going to continue to move higher. There's your flagpole. There is your bullish flag formation. I think Facebook continues to move higher today. ASAN, we've already taken a look at. SNOW continuing to float higher. Let's go into the heavy buying list to see what else we can find in here. Tesla actually looked pretty good. I like this compression here. Breakout to a new high. You can see that it is off of the high. That's why you get that tail above body in there. And JD is the stock that I'm currently long. I like that. I like this horizontal breakout. I like the fact that the stock is above the 200-day moving average. Chinese stocks, fairly difficult to swing because China's market has been getting battered. Let's do this. Let's put up JD, and then I'm going to put up the FXI index to see how it looks relative to other Chinese stocks. You can see how they're all rebounding, but you can see how FXI has just gotten through this horizontal resistance level. I'm looking at the gray line here. So you've got a compression right in here. You've got a resistance level. FXI is through that resistance level. But look on a relative basis, JD has already gone through that process long ago. It has a full head of steam. It is not getting off the lows. It has been off the lows for a good 2 weeks. I think JD plays well relative to other Chinese stocks, but they are all getting a bid with China's market being down about 20% from the highs of the year. I think you've got to be very careful with Chinese stocks. This could just be a bounce. Now I'm going to put up the chart for Microsoft so I can get this FXI off of here. Click OK. We'll take a look at Microsoft, see what it's doing. It's one of the stocks that has not been able to rally. You can see how it's just getting back to the opening price, but I do like this downward sloping trend line right in here. That's your bullish flag formation. So I click GTC. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on that. You can see now I've got my downward sloping alert line, and I can also click that, and I will double click on that. Now I've got a horizontal alert line as well. Microsoft compressing, the other big cap tech stocks taking off. Look at Amazon. I love this chart. Got your downward sloping trend line right here, comes into contact with that point here. Now we're above that big downward sloping trend line, 50-day moving average holding. We've got room right until here to fill as well. Amazon is a stock that I highlighted last week. I like it. I think Amazon looks great. So as far as a stock pick of the day, I'm going to go with the big stocks, and I'm going to favor Amazon because I still think that it's got a ways to go higher. But I do like Facebook, I do like JD, I like mRNA. Netflix, very, very good for day trading because it's got a strong head of steam. That's all I've got for you today. Please leave your comments. We'll see you Thursday morning. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. I'm Pete Stolzers, and I'm going to keep the trade ideas coming along with lots of education, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and please turn on your notifications so that you never miss another trade. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. I've loaded 2 other videos that I think you're really going to enjoy. Stay tuned. We'll see you soon.